Fondue is art in places like Switzerland, where writer Tim Neville met and studied with the kings of cheese.
Tell me, how did you find out the mysteries of fondue?
I was 18 the first time I had it, and it was in Switzerland as an exchange student. One wintry night, my host father made a fondue. All of a sudden, our house just starts smelling like what I thought was a Foot Locker. I mean, it was just this horrible, pungent smell. I tried it, and wow, a whole new world opened up to me. Maybe
So it blew you away.
Totally blew me away. The classic fondue is going to have a base of Gruyere and Vacherin. So the classic recipe is what they call a moitié-moitié, so a half and half. So it's half Gruyere and half Vacherin. And if you can't find Vacherin, you can use something like an Emmental cheese. Emmental has a much more neutral flavor to it. The key formula, and fondue is all about the formula, is 200 grams of cheese per person. That's about 7 ounces of cheese per person. You want to have your cheese chopped up into small cubes or grated. And so you're going to take some garlic and you're going to rub the clove of garlic around the inside and the bottom of the pot. Just kind of smear it around. Chop up the rest, throw it in. Throw your wine in. Throw your cheese in. And then ideally, you want to let that sit. You want to let it sit for at least an hour. Just let it get all kind of gooey all in there before you start heating it up over a stove, about medium heat. And then as you begin to heat this up, you want to use a wooden spoon with the hole in it and stir slowly in a figure 8. And what's going to happen is that it begins to separate. And you're like, oh no, I've ruined it. Take a deep breath, just wait, and it should all come back together.
That sounds delicious.
Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. Happy fonduing.